Hey, what if I told you that coral reefs are like underwater cities except way cooler? Let's dive into the unbelievable journey of a coral reef. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. So imagine you're a tiny coral polyp, drifting through the ocean. You're basically a baby jellyfish's cousin, floating along until boom, you land on a nice, hard spot, maybe a rock, maybe an old shipwreck. This is your chance to build something epic. Now you start working. You pull minerals right out of the seawater and start making your own little apartment. A hard skeleton made of calcium carbonate. You're not alone though. Millions of your polyp buddies are doing the same thing, linking up to form what we see as a coral reef. Over decades, sometimes even centuries, these tiny creatures build massive structures you can see from space. Seriously, the Great Barrier Reef in Australia is so huge, astronauts have spotted it from up there. But here's where it gets even crazier. Coral polyps aren't just working overtime for fun, they've got help from some really weird friends. There are tiny algae living inside them. Yeah, plants inside animals. These algae do photosynthesis like little solar panels and share the food they make with the coral. In return, the coral gives them a safe place to live. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? As the reef grows, it becomes a bustling city full of life. Fish zooming around, turtles grabbing a snack, colorful sea stars just chilling. It's like the busiest, most diverse neighborhood you can imagine, but underwater. But here's the twist. Coral reefs are super sensitive. If the water gets too warm or polluted, the coral gets stressed out. It can lose its algae friends, turning white, a process called bleaching. If things don't get better, parts of the reef can actually die. That's why people all around the world are trying to protect these amazing places. So next time you see a photo of a coral reef, remember, you're looking at thousands of years of teamwork, survival, and transformation. These reefs aren't just beautiful, they're crucial for ocean life and even protect our coastlines from storms. Pretty wild, right? The journey of a coral reef goes from a single drifting polyp to a sprawling, living metropolis under the sea. And now you get to be one of the people who knows just how awesome they really are. Thanks for taking this dive with me. Stay curious.